Hey everyone, today we're diving into 20 essential car maintenance tips every car owner needs to know. These tips will save you money and keep your car running smoothly and safely for years. So grab a wrench, grab a screwdriver, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the heart of your car, the engine. This complex machine is what keeps your vehicle running smoothly, converting fuel into motion and power. It's a marvel of engineering, but it needs proper care to function at its best. Just like our bodies need blood, your engine needs oil. Engine oil is essential for maintaining the health of your engine. It acts as a lubricant, a cleaner, and a coolant, ensuring that all the components work together seamlessly. Engine oil lubricates all the moving parts inside the engine, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. This lubrication is crucial because it minimizes the heat generated by the moving parts, preventing overheating and potential engine failure. Without it, those metal parts would grind against each other, causing serious damage. Over time, this can lead to costly repairs or even the need for a complete engine replacement. Regular oil changes help to remove dirt and debris, keeping the engine clean and efficient. Checking your oil level regularly and getting oil changes on schedule is crucial. This simple maintenance task can extend the life of your engine, improve performance, and save you money in the long run. Always use the right type of oil for your car, as specified in the owner's manual. Next up, air filters. Your engine needs a steady supply of clean air for optimal performance. The air filter traps dirt, dust, and debris from entering the engine. A clogged air filter can choke your engine, reducing fuel efficiency and performance. Check your air filter regularly and replace it when it's dirty. It's a simple task that can make a world of difference. Now let's move on to your tires. They are often overlooked, but they play a critical role in your vehicle's overall performance and safety. Proper tire pressure is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. It ensures that your tires wear evenly and last longer, saving you money in the long run. It affects handling, braking, fuel efficiency, and tire wear. When your tires are properly inflated, your car handles better, brakes more effectively, and uses fuel more efficiently. Underinflated tires can lead to decreased fuel economy and blowouts. This not only puts you at risk, but also increases the likelihood of costly repairs. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly, especially before long trips. This simple step can prevent many potential issues and ensure a safer journey. A good tire pressure gauge is an essential tool every car owner should have. It allows you to quickly and accurately check your tire pressure, giving you peace of mind on the road. Let's talk about your brakes. Your brakes are absolutely critical for safety. Keep an eye on your brake pads and rotors. Ignoring worn-out brake pads can lead to longer stopping distances and brake failure. If you notice any squeaking or vibrations when you hit the brakes, get them checked out immediately. Let's talk about the timing belt and the serpentine belt. The timing belt synchronizes the engine's valves and pistons, while the serpentine belt powers essential components. Get them inspected and replaced at the recommended intervals to avoid major engine damage. Let's move on to the cooling system. Coolant circulates through the engine, absorbing heat. Over time, coolant can break down and become acidic, leading to corrosion. Flush your cooling system regularly to keep your engine running at the optimal temperature. Let's talk about spark plugs. Worn-out spark plugs can lead to misfires and reduced fuel efficiency. Regularly replacing your spark plugs at the recommended intervals ensures optimal engine performance. Let's talk about the battery. A healthy battery is crucial for starting your car and powering electronics. Check your battery terminals regularly, clean off any corrosion, and make sure they're tight. Be prepared to replace your battery when it starts showing signs of age. Let's move on to the transmission. Your transmission needs fluid to operate smoothly. Over time, transmission fluid can break down, leading to shifting problems. Check your transmission fluid regularly and get it changed according to your car's maintenance schedule. Let's talk about your car's suspension. The suspension system absorbs shocks from the road and provides a comfortable ride. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from your suspension. If you notice your car bouncing excessively, get your suspension inspected. Let's talk about windshield wipers. Worn-out wiper blades can reduce visibility and increase the risk of accidents. Check your wiper blades regularly and replace them when they show signs of wear. Top up your washer fluid regularly to keep your windshield clean. Let's move on to the exhaust system. The exhaust system carries harmful gases away from the engine and reduces noise. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from your exhaust system. If you notice a decrease in fuel efficiency or smell exhaust fumes inside the car, get your exhaust system inspected immediately. Let's talk about the fuel system. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate in the fuel system, clogging the fuel filter. Use good quality fuel and consider using a fuel system cleaner periodically to keep things running smoothly. Let's talk about your car's lights. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals ensure visibility and communication on the road. Check your lights regularly, especially before driving at night. Replacing a bulb is a simple and inexpensive task that can make a world of difference. Let's go back to those tires and talk about tire rotation and alignment. Rotating your tires regularly ensures even wear and tear, extending their lifespan. Alignment ensures that your wheels are pointing in the right direction, preventing uneven tire wear. Let's talk about power steering fluid. Low power steering fluid can make steering stiff and difficult. Check your power steering fluid level regularly and top it off if needed. Let's go back to the battery and talk about battery cables. Battery cable connections can become loose or corroded over time. Check your battery cables regularly, clean off any corrosion, and make sure they're tight. Let's talk about hoses. Over time, hoses can become brittle, cracked, or damaged, leading to leaks. Inspect your hoses regularly for any signs of wear and tear. If you notice any problems, get those hoses replaced immediately. Let's move inside the car and talk about the cabin air filter. A dirty cabin air filter can reduce airflow from the HVAC system. Replace your cabin air filter regularly, especially if you live in a dusty or polluted area. Let's finish up with windshield washer fluid. Washer fluid helps to keep your windshield clean and clear. Using plain water isn't a good idea, as it can freeze in cold weather. Use a good quality washer fluid that's appropriate for the climate you live in. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Keeping your car in top condition is crucial for ensuring your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Regular maintenance can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. I hope these 20 essential car maintenance tips have been helpful. From checking your oil levels to ensuring your tires are properly inflated, each tip is designed to help you maintain your car efficiently. Remember, a well-maintained car not only runs better but also saves you money in the long run. By following these simple tips, you can keep your car running smoothly and safely for years to come. Regular checkups and timely repairs can make a significant difference in your driving experience. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your car is in great shape. If you have any questions or need help with any of these tasks, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help and would love to hear from you. Your feedback and questions are always welcome, and we strive to provide the best advice possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and your car running smoothly. Stay tuned for more videos packed with useful information and practical advice. See you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and take care of your car. Happy driving.